Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you are aware, TCS has announced free hiring for NQT, for Ninja Digital, and this time for Prime Role also. Now, the exam date for most of the colleges will be on 15th of January. So you have almost 24 to 25 days. Now, how to prepare for TCS NQT in this 24 to 25 days? Because the hirings are very limited and we should not miss this opportunity. You have to be in a do and die condition for this TCS free NQT hiring. Friends, in this video, I will discuss the important topics from where TCS ask the questions, like from aptitude, which are the topics from where more number of questions will be asked, because you need to score 60 to 80% in the examination. Similarly, reasoning topic we will discuss, verbal ability we will discuss, each and everything we will discuss in this video. Also, I will tell you the free resource that how you should prepare for this TCS examination. Okay. Now, so friends, before that, regarding the hiring, so TCS has announced free NQT hiring. The exam date is 15th of January 2024. Students from the batch of 2024 are eligible to apply. Minimum 60% or 6 CGPA throughout the academics is required. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, and MSc are eligible. As I said, so this time TCS is hiring for three different roles: Ninja, Digital, and Prime. So UG and PG. UG means undergraduate, like BE, BTech. So for BE, BTech, Ninja, the package offered is 3.3 LPA. For Digital, the package offered is 7 LPA. And for the Prime, the package offered is 9 LPA. For PG, like ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, so the package offered is 3.5 LPA, 7.3 LPA for Digital, and for Prime it is 11.5 LPA. Okay, before we discuss about the syllabus in detail, friends, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that any preparation related video, so if you'll see TCS videos, we have uploaded so many videos on TCS itself, right? Okay, so even mock test with timer, so in that particular time you will be able to solve the TCS questions. Okay, so please consider subscribing and click on bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Now, so the syllabus or the pattern basically released by TCS is: numerical ability 25 questions will be asked, verbal ability 25 questions will be asked, and reasoning ability 25 questions. Total 75 question. If you clear this foundation section, then you will be getting Ninja role. Friends, for cutoff will be 60 to 80%. So in between 60 to 80% you have to get, then only you will be called for the interview. Then advanced section. So if you perform well in advanced section, based on that you will be getting Digital or Prime role. So in advanced, quantitative ability will be there, reasoning ability will be there, advanced coding will be there. Okay, fine. Now, so let us see in aptitude what will be the level of question and how you will be able to solve. So friends, see, basically if you want to score more in examination, if you want to confirm your seat for the interview, then you should be able to use tips and tricks to solve the question. Like if you see one question of aptitude here, first try to solve by yourself. A and B together complete a piece of work in T days. If A alone completes the work in T plus 3 days, B alone completes the piece of work in T plus 12 days, then what is the value of T? So basically you will start 1 by T is equals to 1 by T plus 3 plus 1 by T plus 12. And like this, it will go into a quadratic equation. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for you to solve. But if you understand, if you know the tips and tricks, so multiply 3 with 12. So 12 into 3 is 36, and the answer will become 6 days. This is one of the method. Second method is you can also take one of the values and replace it here at the place of T, and you will be able to use LCM method and you can solve, right? So basically what I wanted to say, so if you want to perform well in examination, then You should know the tricks to solve the question, especially with aptitude. So let us see the topics from where TCS asks more number of questions. If you prepare this topic alone, you will easily clear the examination. Friends, simplification. So you can say at least around 4 to 5 questions will be asked from simplification. Percentage 4 to 5, profit and loss 4 to 5. So these are the topic with more importance. Average 3 questions, ratio and proportion 3 questions, ages 2 questions, statistics 4 to 5 questions, time and work around 3 to 4 questions, time, speed and distance is a important topic, but solving the question in the exam will be quite tricky. So this topic I will ask you to do it at the end, where 2 to 3 questions will be asked. P and C 2 to 3 questions will be asked. Number system HCF LCM 4 to 5 questions. Simple and compound interest is a very important topic. You can expect 3 to 4 questions. Data interpretation, if it will come, it will be for 5 questions will be asked from data interpretation. So focus on these topics. Try to solve the question with the help of tricks, so that it will be better for you to perform well in the examination. Then friends, reasoning, syllogism, one of the most confusing topic. I have made multiple videos on syllogism, so I will tell you the playlist. Friends, if we'll talk about the free resources, then you can refer our playlist. That link will be given in the video description, okay, where you will be able to see, right? So all this like TCS Nqt figure based problem, many of the students will be confused with the figure based problem and the statistics. So here I have covered figure based problem and statistics as well, right? So this will help you to clear the exam, okay? So this statistics problem is there, and then figure based problems are there, right? So these things you can watch. Okay, now then you can also check TCS Nqt mock test based on the latest pattern, right? So mock test, multiple mock tests are there, and that mock test is definitely going to help you a lot. If you'll see the level of the question, it will be very good, right? So these are the statistical questions, and then simplification questions will be there, right? So these are the difficult tough problems also has been included. So this playlist is going to help you a lot in your TCS preparation, okay? Fine. And then if you come down here, so what I was telling is, so right, okay, then yeah, syllogism. So syllogism is the most confusing topic, right? So here you go, and if you type syllogism, so just a second, so syllogism online study for you, if you type, you will be getting the videos related to syllogism, right? Okay, so just you have to type on YouTube, and you can see syllogism, multiple videos are there, and in all the videos you will be getting the complete concepts, right? Okay, if you go down also, so you can see, right? So syllogism videos, you will be getting a lot of videos. Fine. Now so let us go back to reasoning. Okay, so these are the topic like syllogism. So again, you can expect like 4 questions from your blood relation. These are the topic. Direction, you can expect 2 questions. Number series, you can expect 3 to 4 questions. Figure and factual, 4 questions. Decision making, so every time they don't ask, but if they will ask, 5 questions will be there. Alphabetical series, coding and decoding, all together 4 questions, these two. And data sufficiency is very important. So here you can expect 4 questions, and sitting arrangement, if it comes 5 questions, it will definitely come. And then figure and factuals, if you are preparing for TCS, so figure and factuals and critical reasoning, right? And critical reasoning, so these 2 topics like statement assumption, statement conclusion, so these are the also topic which you need to prepare, okay? Now, and then verbal sentence arrangement, comprehension, close test, error detection, sentence completion, tenses. See, these are the topic which are more important. What I mean to say is, right? Okay, now friends, so see, this is a do and die situation for you. So this is a do and die situation for you. There is no doubt at all, because you are very much aware, and even I have put on our channel that many companies are not hiring. In that case, friends, choosing the correct course and then preparing is very important, right? So see, now if you want to go for free material, you will definitely get stuck, right? Because there are a lot of videos are there. So I will recommend you, see, don't spend 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees and all, right? So we have a course for 600 rupees, okay? And I will show you the content. It is, properly, this content, if you follow, it is more than sufficient for you to crack the examination. See, aptitude. So aptitude videos, first you have all the topics covered here. because simplification is important. So 2 videos is covered. Average, percentage, profit and loss. See, if you just watch the video, that is more than sufficient for you, right? Okay. And then, so if you want to practice some difficult level of question, so here you can find some difficult level of question, right? Okay. Now, many other students will tell, sir, all these are fine, but how to practice, right? So how to practice? So if you go to the content again, and I have given a fully solved TCS previous year question. Okay, so it is logged now. Basically, so here to more than 500 questions are there for your practice. More than 500 questions, right? So it's a PDF file. So more than 500 questions are there for your practice with solution. Okay, so watch the video and then try to attempt this. And here we have covered TCS previous year question alone. Okay, so see, many of you will tell, sir, I'm not able to get the TCS previous year question. We have collected it for you, and here you can find TCS previous year question. Okay, then friends, reasoning. So reasoning, we have the all topics covered here, right? So you can see all the topics are covered here. And again, so for all the topics, we have covered the practice videos only with the problems. So see, because what happens, friends, if I will give you some PDF kind of, you write, so that concept, you can only see the solution, but the concept you will not be getting it. So all those things will be covered over there. Okay, fine. Then verbal ability. So verbal ability, very basic videos also we have given, basic English grammar you can see here. And then exam specific topics are there, and then the previous year questions are there. So everywhere we have covered. Then TCS aptitude and reasoning mock test. Again, we have given mock test. See, the content is very much sufficient for you. You do not have to look at any other places. Okay. Then programming videos are there. Now in programming videos, see, here TCS Nqt programming videos are there. We are going to add more videos. So right now 37 videos you can see, and we are going to put more videos. Right now, if somebody needs, okay, sir, I have problem in C programming. Okay, go for it. I want to understand data structure. Go for it. See, I mean, in 24 to 25 days, whatever you can cover, that is has been given, right? You say in 20 days. Then we have data structure algorithm using Java. We have complete Java course, right? So we have, then programming practice videos are there, like short MCQs type. Okay, and then we have C++ courses and coding problems in and then we have competitive coding also in Java and C++, right? So each and everything you will be getting here, right? So your main will be TCS Nqt programming video. So programming also we have covered in the same this thing. And then if you come down here, we have the test series, and then we have the complete interview courses where we have the interview videos, right? So you can see, right? So once you clear this, then you do not have to pay other amount for the interviews. Now in that amount, you will be getting the sufficient things, right? And before getting the paid courses, friends, you go for these videos, see if you're able to understand or not, right? So this is your golden opportunity, don't miss it. I have tried to cover each and everything, and all the link you will be getting in the description. Remember, you can only crack TCS Nqt if you know the tricks to solve the question. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.